Hello, it's Zetty here from Clena, and today we are talking about Mangrove Crystal. This is our glass and V.D.U cleaner, which will always ensure a smear-free finish. This product here is formulated free of abrasives, so it will not damage delicate surfaces, and it is suitable for use on windows, glass, windscreens, porcelain, ceramic tiles, chrome, as well as showcases and visual display screens. It is suitable for use on computer display screens due to its high level of purity, and this will help prevent future resoiling too. When using Crystal is a ready-to-use product, so it does not require diluting at all, and when using it, always ensure that you wear hand protection.
When cleaning electrical or V.D.U screens, ensure that you firstly spray your cloth with the crystal. Then, using your cloth, wipe the surface clean. Crystal to any other surfaces, simply spray directly onto the surface and then wipe off with a clean, lint-free cloth for a sparkling finish.
To help reduce plastic waste and to have a positive impact on our environment, we recommend that you use the 5 litre container of Crystal to refill your 750ml trigger sprays.
To refill your trigger spray, remove the cap off your chemical and replace with a dispensing tap. And ensure that this tap is turned off. Then place your 5 litre container on a flat level surface. Take your empty trigger spray bottle, place underneath and refill directly. Once you've reached the desired amount, then turn the tap off and carefully lift up your 5 litre container and trigger spray bottle. Reattach the trigger head and you now have a ready to use trigger spray.
Mangrove Crystal is available in 2 formats. Firstly, it is available as a 5 litre container, and the product code for this is VC111. It is also available in our 750ml trigger spray, and the reorder code for this is AS147. If you have any other questions, please reach out to the team, and also remember that you are able to access any resources regarding this product on our website.